I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We are a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. We are excited to share our community preparedness program. We work directly with your city or county emergency managers to help get your community prepared for disasters. Let us show you how we can do this at no cost to you. Here are the simple steps. Your city or county approves emergency kit, contents, collateral, and price, including shipping. This will allow your community members to have a kit designed specific to your region, so they can have the necessary supplies and information to stay safe in the event of an emergency. Next, we will send you one emergency kit completely free of charge to your city or county emergency managers. This emergency kit can be displayed at safety fairs, community centers, and on your social media pages to promote a stronger focus on preparedness. Your city or county creates an online order link such as Bitly. From there, you can collect pre-orders for all emergency kits. Once the orders are received, you then reach out to Ready America and we will send your kit to a specific site for pickup by members of the community. Additionally, you can work with your local CERT teams to deliver these kits to individuals' homes. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what Jordan Villwalk, the former Emergency Operations Coordinator for the City of Laguna Beach, has to say.
Local emergency managers should consider collaborating with disaster supply companies to create city-specific emergency kits. Each community faces different hazards, and our residents appreciate city-specific recommended kits to help them with their preparation. The City of Laguna Beach teamed up with Trevin Reese at Ready America, Inc. to create Laguna Beach-specific, cost-effective kits. Year to date, we've sold over 900 kits to our residents. They can be purchased in person at our community center or ordered online and delivered by one of our awesome CERT members.
This community preparedness program requires $0 spend and will make you a champion in your community. This is a no-risk, high-reward program designed to keep your community safe in the event of an emergency. We are looking forward to working with you to make this program a national success. Thank you.